so then that's where you can see how beautiful and pigmented this color is. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on tie the nails, and then here for this first layer, first coat for 60 seconds. And the cap is had the colors of actual color is going to be in the bottle already. Okay, here for 60 seconds. Time I put in here, that's good for there. In the meantime, we're waiting for that one. We're moving to the next one. I'm going ahead and get the banana, the second nails. And I'm so excited with that glitter. The newest collection glitter is so compatible going with this with the gel polish collection. So easy to polish. And then here for 60 seconds. Hold on 1 second, babe. 1 second. And then we are going to wait for this one to dry first. In the meantime, we're going to moving on and swatch the third one, which is, I'm loving this one. It's so much, it's so beautiful. And this is going to be so easy. You can able to do it by itself, or you can able to add it on the top of others cover. Like the fur is getting into the nails. This is sparkling white. I was just feeling like you can add it on the top of any, pretty much any colors. Wait until you see your liquid and powder, I mean the acrylics powder. Using this color is gonna look so gorgeous, like compatible matching colors. 1, 2, 3, and then we're all going to do is Orchis. It's the one that everybody loves, and it's so vibrant. It's closest to the colors of the year 2022. So I'm gonna go ahead and sort. Do you drop something? Now we're gonna key this for 60 seconds. Okay.
Yes, there will be design tonight. We're just gonna swatch quick for you guys see the new 6 new color. Afterward, there will be some design. You won't be missing your crystal.
And then we are gonna go ahead and do in the key lime. This also is really pretty colors. I love it. This one so much because it's absolutely so solid from the first coat. Just make sure they're on the side. And this one is so beautiful in a vibrance. Look at that. So absolutely so vibrant. And then this one, it was the look with the matte. And then moving on, the last one, it is the jade green. I like this color a lot. It's just like really cool. Like kind of greenish colors. Trendy, a little bit further. I'm gonna get it out.
Yep, that's
Kia
like a
for
luxury color.
Kia for is 60-second on this one. And then I want to do the other ones, just give it a second coat. This is the teal. Give me that one. So that first coat is already perfect. You can do a second coat. But if you are doing like any of design or the chamfer foils on, you can definitely get away with one coat. It's already really like covers. I'm just gonna give you like really quick looks. Okay. So beautiful. All the nails. Hello, hello. Thank you so much for tuning in. And banana with second coat. And we are moving on the 60-second is the sparkly white. I love this one also. It's really cool. It's perfect for spring. You know that Glitz had a lot of colors. This whole collection is a lot of pink. So it's just great colors with a whole collection that it comes with so many variety of different color now. I'm so excited. You can see the different, and then lately with the Dare to Bear is one of the so the best selling collections is Dare to Bear as well. Go with everything. This is my favorite, and I have a lot of like favorite colors that I like. And then we're moving on to the King Lamb. This is absolutely solid. It's like no translucent at all whatsoever. I'm so thrilled about this. It's gonna be perfect for French coming up for the holidays, for the season coming. Okay. And then the last one, and then we're gonna do a couple cutie nails design. I'm so excited because I have a cute designs right here, laid out right here for you. If you see, it's right on the right on my hands right here. Super cute, and I promise the designs I'm gonna do, it's gonna be so simple and easy. This one's so beautiful. Okay. Cute. All right, we're done with the 6 colors. So what I'm gonna do is something is cute. I'm gonna swatch. Oh, this one I did. This one I did earlier. It's fun. This one I did earlier, and I did with the yeah, I might do a matte top coat on it. This one I did earlier is sparkly white, and then I add premium my whole chamfer foils. As you see that I did a lot of like encapsulates glitters before with the gels, and then so I use this, and then I able to add several different colors of dramatic glitters for spring collections into that one. So then you can definitely let me apply the top coat on this one. And you know what? This one I did banana and I did jade green. That's the designs using these 2 colors ombre. But today we're gonna do something is really cute, simple and easy. And also this is the teal, and I did add the green yellow glitter on that one. And this one is just the key lamp. So let's just two on the side, and then I'm gonna top coat all of this. Oh, show you the colors.